What's up, guys? I haven't been on YouTube in a while. This is my first video in a while because I've been saving up to get a camera. And guess what came in today? The Canon 6Ti Rebel came in today. It came in like 20 minutes ago. I just let the box sit outside. It came 20 minutes ago. It came in 20 minutes ago. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Came in. Everything in here. Got the whole box. I'm gonna bring it inside real quick. Hold up. Let me bring it inside. But yeah, it came in. See? It came in. It's legit. It's a legit camera. It came in. The Canon. You can never go wrong with Canon. It came in. It's legit. That's the garbage man right there. That's why we have sound in the background. We have to bring it inside. Hold on. Nope. It's in the house. It's my setup. It's my setup right now. So I'm gonna be unboxing my camera in this vlog that I'm doing right now. Well, it's not really a vlog. It's a camera unboxing. It's just a camera unboxing. But yeah, this will be my first unboxing video that I do on my channel. This is a first unboxing video. Instead of a vlog, I'm doing my first unboxing video of my Canon camera I just recently got. And I'm gonna do the unboxing real soon. I got the Rebel T6i. I ordered this probably on Saturday, and it came in. I was gonna come in on October, but it came in early. It came in early just when I needed it. But yeah, recently this summer I've been doing some pictures on my iPhone. Well, majority of my pictures on my Instagram on my iPhone. I'll put my Instagram in the link below this video. So yeah, I've been doing those. And then I just recently, my uncle let me borrow his Rebel T3i. I recommend this camera. This is a good camera. I did many shots on my Instagram in this camera and somewhere on Twitter. This is a good camera. So I was like, oh yeah, this is the camera that I need. But yeah, so this is my uncle's camera. He let me borrow for like 2 months. And those past 2 months, I've been learning how to work the camera. And so far, I'm getting better at it. Yeah. So we're gonna start the unboxing video real soon. But the reason I got off YouTube for a while is because I got tired of recording on my iPhone camera. I'm doing this on my iPhone right now before I hook up everything else. But I got tired of recording on my iPhone camera simply because I just got tired of doing it. I got tired of recording on there. It didn't get boring. It's like I want a camera now. I want a camera so I can do more stuff than just have everything on my iPhone. And the space problem. I have 16 gigs. My videos run like 5%. Looks just about the same as mine. Oh, there's more stuff to it. There's like more details. Instead of having like the on a T3i it has to switch. Now I can just go straight up with the video recording. So this is nice. It's real nice. I like this one. He gave me the camera. Give me all that good stuff back in the box. Let's see what else is in the box. Gave me the bag. Gave me the Canon bag, so you know what I'm going about to go shoot. I got the bag with me, but I didn't completely leave YouTube. I was just like, I'm gonna save up some money and buy a camera. The reason I got the one I wanted is because a lot of people recommended it, the camera. Majority of people that recommended it. Just like I watched other YouTubers and they had that camera. It was like some people vlog with that camera. And then it was the one I actually wanted. I just wanted a Canon camera because I started learning on a Canon camera. So why not use a Canon camera? So yeah, I'm gonna have more videos up since I got my camera, like I promised. I'm gonna try to post weekly now instead of every other week or whatever, or how I was doing it. I'm gonna try to post weekly. I'm gonna try to have challenges, unboxings, and just some short vlogs too. So like going to the mall vlog. Oh, we just hooped that 24-hour vlog. Stuff that y'all like and relatable to everyone that watch my videos. If you're watching this right now, subscribe and turn your notifications on, and I'll be having more videos come out. Without further ado, let's get to this unboxing of the camera T6i. What's up, guys? So that comes to the end of this unboxing video. I know I'm gonna get better with the unboxing videos within time, but this is a new Canon T6i camera that I just got. And guess what? They forgot to give me the microphone. They forgot to give me the microphone to the camera. I ordered a Rode microphone with the fur cover, and they didn't bring it. I'm trying to figure out why they didn't bring the microphone when they told me it was gonna be shipped together. The paper's right here. So I called them, and they're, I'll answer that text later. But I called Amazon, and it was like, sir, we need to see if whatever the company that I got it from. They said they're gonna call them and check. I said, okay, good. So next thing you know, Amazon gives me a $15 promotional card. So like I can go buy something right now on Amazon and not use any money. I just use the code. And guess what? The lady said, I said, can you at least give me $30? Cause like the Rode mic is like $150. Can you at least give me a $30 card? It was like, no, we can't do that. I said, okay. I said, well, send me that and let me know when my package get here. So they sent me the email, and I'm just patiently waiting. So they said the mic should get here in about 2 days. So if you can't hear, if like you can't hear some of the my voice a little bit, it's because I don't have a mic on the camera right now. I don't have a mic. But yeah, for sure, I'm gonna have a mic on this camera. I'm gonna start using this camera. This is the Canon T6i. This Canon camera T6i. Let me see. Right there. There you go. But yeah. I really wanna thank y'all for watching this video. This is where I'm kinda gonna do the majority of my videos. I'm gonna do them right here. If I'm talking, I'm gonna do them right here. Because the lighting's good right here. I don't have to like get artificial lights. This is natural light. And plus, so you guys asked for some things, and I was watching some of my old videos the other day that I did in high school, and I decided I'm gonna try to bring OTG back in some of the vlogs, because I know y'all like them. I know y'all liked OTG. OTG, they're pretty live dudes in high school. Hopefully we can do some vlogs outside of high school. So I'm gonna try to get some of them to come in my vlogs every now and then when I start doing more majority of my vlogs. So I'm gonna start uploading more. Start uploading on YouTube more. But yeah, y'all have a great day. And also, if you're watching this video and you're new, like and subscribe, and turn your notifications on, because I might just drop something. But yeah, so if you see like the videos that I did before, the videos that's in this video, I use an iPhone camera. I used iPhone camera twice, and then I used the Rebel T3i camera. I used that camera. That's the one my uncle let me borrow. So I'm gonna be borrowing for a while until he asks for it back. So majority of the videos probably gonna be off this camera. Now my photography on my Instagram is gonna be on this camera. And that does it all today, guys. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Also, like and subscribe to me and turn your notifications on. I might be dropping more stuff. I will be dropping more stuff actually because I got my own camera now, so I can go out and vlog. And this camera's touchscreen. I can do a whole bunch on this camera. It's pretty cool. I like it so far. Shout out to my friend Brooke for helping me choose the right camera. Shout out to her. Because it's having split screen, so I can vlog like this. And also, I got this stick right here. Got myself, got my vlogging stick, and I got my light. But yeah, I wanna thank y'all for watching the video. Y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all later.